Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the ruler or guideline rulers in Canva. If you are designing or creating any type of graphics or documentation and need ruler guidelines, then this video is for you. Creating graphics and working in Canva is really easy, and you can also modify pre-made templates. Simply create your account in Canva, and after that, just customize the size of any template or customize on your own. After customizing your dimensions in Canva, this will be the interface you see. Go to the top left side. There is a File option. Just navigate to it and click on it. This will bring up a list of features. Go to the Settings, and here you'll find the option to Show Rulers and Guides. Just click on it, and now you can see my rulers and guides are enabled. You can also do this by using the shortcut Shift-R. Just by pressing Shift and R, your ruler and guideline guides will be enabled. So, like this, you can easily enable your rulers and guidelines. And if you want a specific or precise ruler design, or any documentation, you can just adjust it like this. And you can create your own professional-looking thumbnails, or any other designs you want to make in Canva. After enabling your guidelines and rulers, it becomes much easier to resize, presize, and make your design more scaled and better resized, and to get the exact size in anything you want. So that's how you can enable it. Yeah, that was a simple process. Just enable your rulers and guides and enjoy designing in Canva. And I will see you in the next video.